Sitting here on the job and hoping that you would call me. My eyes are tired from us sitting up and just talking all night. My supervisor noticed I'm kinda slow for the day. My girlfriend's also noticed I'm joyful, what can I say? It's only been 2 months, but I'm praying that you're the one. Please, baby, be the one. Please, baby, be. Keep replaying your kisses, can't get them out of my mind. I try, my work is piling up, and who'd guess that I'd get behind? But that's fine. It's only 12:07. I take my first break at 2. It seems I have a message. I hope to God that it's you. It's only been 2 months, but I'm praying that you're the one. Please, baby, be the one. Please, baby, be la la la. La 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 la. It's 2:13, I'm smiling. I hear your voice on the phone. Oh my, tell me you wanna see me. Can't wait until I get home tonight. My mind's to slow it down, girl. This thing right here is so new, but my heart's just keeping moving. 2 thoughts, but I'm not confused. It's only been 2 months, but I'm praying that you're the one. Please, baby.